Hello everyone, myself Dr. Shivani from Moradabad, UP, and I attended this mini fellowship in musculoskeletal imaging by ARI, and this fellowship had both online and offline sessions, which were conducted by both international and national faculty. Faculty was fantastic. They showed us many cases. Coming to first of all to the online lectures, the lectures were spread apart over 10 weeks. The classes were conducted on Sundays, and after that recorded sessions were shared with us, which was a great advantage because then we could go back and revise the sessions, and even if like we missed certain things in the live lectures, we could just go back and go. They also provided us with reading materials and also quiz cases on the online platform, which helped us to like check our knowledge and just test our knowledge. And later on the on-site sessions, there were workshops. First of all, there was this revision of all the joints and all the pathologies and the anatomy as well. Then after that, there was hands-on workshop, which was an extensive experience. Like the international faculty themselves, both the international and the national faculty, they showed us the cases. They demonstrated how to do knee ultrasounds, ankle ultrasound, shoulder ultrasound. Basically, they covered all the joints in the session, and they showed us like how to approach to each joint. Not only that they demonstrated, they also gave us the opportunity to practice hands-on, and they corrected us. So that helped us to improve our own practice. And so whatever doubts we had, we could also ask them. It was a nice interactive session. After that, we also had a multidisciplinary training session, which involved like a discussion with all the departments. Plus, since the faculty was international, so they had brought cases from outside. It's like we as Indians, we also got exposure how they approach to the cases and what their treatment is, what their management is. So that's how like we got benefited in what's going on in their country. So we can just add on these things to our practice also.